Hey friends, it's Shereé, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you. The unboxing is for probably the coolest pair of sneakers that I own. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, let's get into it. Friends, today I have a pair of sneakers to share with you that is truly unique and special, different from anything I have in my collection, and I'm really thrilled about it. So the company who reached out to me to send me these sneakers is called Ouder, and I had never heard of them, but now that I know about them, my life has forever changed, okay? My style life has changed, okay? They sent me some really cool sneakers. I did get to choose the ones that they sent me. Now, this isn't 100% true unboxing because I was too excited. I pulled them out, put them on, and I did a little dancing around already. But I am gonna share with you what they look like, and they are still very pristine. Now, they came in this box here. And when you take them out, there's another box that is stunning. It's a really good sturdy box that's going to keep the sneakers extremely protected. And so this is what the box looks like. It is a blue box. It's pretty heavy duty. And on the front it says Ouder Smile, and that is the style of sneaker that I got. These sneakers are amazing. They are a denim sneaker, and they have some cool details about them that you are not going to find in any other denim sneaker out there. They also came with a really cool extra pair of shoelaces, but I want to give you a little bit more information about the brand before I share with you the shoes. Now, Ouder stands for Originality Unleashed, delivering exceptional revolutionary footwear, and they have some really special sneakers and also slides on their website that really got me very intrigued. It was very hard for me to decide which pair of shoes that I wanted to select because they had some really fun options. They also sell boots. I'm talking heavy duty boots, like you can go on a little hike in those boots. They also have boots that are good for people that live in harsher climates, or like snow, or like a rain style of boot. So definitely some really cool options on their website. You should totally check them out. The size range for the pair that I selected is a 34 to a 45. And I'm not sure what the numbers translate to as far as US sizes, but I can tell you I'm personally a 9.5 usually in US sneakers. But for this particular pair of sneakers, they are large, so I recommend sizing down a bit. I wish I had gone down to a size 9. I think that would have been the sweet spot. They still look good, they're still comfortable, and they still look cute and stay on my feet fine. But if you want the perfect size for this particular style, I do recommend sizing down at least a half size to make sure that they fit you to perfection. One of the things that I love about this company is that they are eco-friendly, and all the materials that they use are actually good for the environment, so I truly appreciate that. And the shoelaces are made out of hemp, which is also kind of cool. So let me go ahead and open the box for you. So if you open it up, this is what it looks like. Right? Each individual sneaker has its own bag, dust bag, so that's really nice. It's very nicely protected. And when you pull the sneaker out, you can see right away that these are not your ordinary sneakers, okay? Look at this really cool tip or toe on the sneaker. It's very round. It's almost like a cloud, okay? Now, the smile is what you see here, right? So Ouder Smile. And on the bottom of the shoe, it says smile, smile, smile. And it came with this little thin slip of plastic that was stuck on there to protect it. But I took it off so that I could style the shoes for the video. And what you see here is a transparent RB outer sole. It is a very unique sole. I've never seen anything like this. For all of their shoes, the materials are sourced from the same companies that provide supplies to Nike, Adidas, and all of the other top name brand sneakers. Now, this shoe has some really cool details about it that I really want to point out. Back here, we have this awesome little shoehorn, and actually it is a denim button that you can unhook and reattach. But if you leave it like this, it'll help you to pull your shoe onto the heel of your foot. It's a really neat detail. It definitely makes me think of a denim jacket or a pair of jeans, and I love the way that looks. As you can see, the laces on the pair of shoes is actually denim laces, but it did come with another pair of laces that are made out of hemp, and those are really gorgeous. I can't wait to share them with you. But I really love the design and what it looks like. The sides of the laces are slightly frayed, and it just looks really cool. It's definitely clear, even from a distance, that these sneakers are made from denim. And as you can see, there is the Ouder logo on the inside and outside of the shoe, which is really great. These shoes are made with a breathable mesh lining to keep your feet cool and fresh, and they are antibacterial, so that is really awesome. And my favorite thing about these shoes is that they have a memory foam sole. So when you want a really comfortable shoe, I definitely think that you should consider checking out Ouder shoes, because I'm sorry, but did you say memory foam? That sounds amazing. I absolutely cannot wait to really start walking the streets in these shoes. On the tongue of the shoe, you'll find that there is this waxed leather piece. And this is definitely reminiscent of something that you would find on a pair of jeans. And actually, let me pull out the other shoe, because the other shoe actually has a really cool leather piece on the heel. I mean, does that not look like the Levi's leather piece that is on the back of their jeans? I love the way this looks. It's just so cool. So as you can see, these sneakers are truly unique and special, and I'm so excited to be able to have added them to my wardrobe. I'm going to be styling these up in so many creative ways, and actually for this video I did pair it with several different outfits in my closet, and so I will walk you through what those outfits look like. And actually, let me prop the shoes up so that you can see what they look like while I insert video clips and pictures of me in the outfits that I am showcasing. So these shoes, first of all, I want to tell you how much they cost. These shoes retail for $143.10 right now. So their normal price is $159, so that is their sale price. Definitely encourage you to check them out on sale. All right, let's take a look at the laces. These are the hemp laces. They are fat, chunky laces, and I absolutely love them. So if you are a person that thinks the denim on denim is just a little bit too much, you can switch out the laces for these hemp laces here. Let's talk about the outfits that I put together for this pair of shoes. I'm really thrilled with how the pairing came together. Now, if you are new to my channel, I am a sewist, seamstress, DIY fashionista, okay? I make 90% of my clothes, but for this particular look, I chose to make myself a pair of cargo jeans, and I think that they look so good with these sneakers. Now, I have paired these cargo jeans with a red button-up top and also a denim bag that is almost the exact same shade of denim in the sneakers. What's neat about these sneakers is that they have a couple of different shades of denim, as if it's kind of faded all throughout. So these shoes can actually match several different pairs of denim in your closet. It's not just going to pair with one color of denim. So I really love that, and I also wanted to share with you how you can style these with items that are not denim. So it doesn't have to be denim on denim on denim, although that's a look, okay? That's a really cute look. But for this look, I definitely thought pairing it with the camo pants, but also with a denim purse would kind of tie it all together. I love the way this looks. I think this is a very effortless, cool outfit, and I think the shoes just really elevate it and take it to the next level. The next outfit that I paired it with is an oversized wide leg pair of Levi's jeans. Now these, I believe, are called the Extra Flood. I can't remember. I've had them for quite a while, and I've also paired it with a white linen top as well as a Levi's fanny pack or crossbody bag, and I think that this is a really cool look. I definitely can see myself wearing this on a regular basis. Really happy with the pairing. And I also did a close-up so that you can see what these sneakers look like when you walk. I know it might be kind of hard to imagine what these might look like because of it having such a large toe, but it is so cute, and they are very comfortable and very cool. And yeah, I also don't think that you have to wear them with wide leg jeans or oversized clothing. That is just my style. That's how I like to wear my pants. If you are new to my channel, you can check out some of my older videos and you can see that I've been on a real wide leg jean kick. I've been making them left and right. So for me, this is the vibe for these sneakers. So I've also paired them with another pair of wide leg jeans in a different shade of denim so that you can see that it looks good with different shades of denim. Now this particular pair of jeans came from Target, and I paired it with a white t-shirt that has the word Paris on it, and it has a picture of Paris. And I've also paired it with an upcycled duffel bag that I made from some True Religion jeans. I am a denim girly, okay, so these were right up my alley. I have been making all the things out of denim. So I took a pair of jeans that I think cost my husband nearly $300, and I upcycled them into a duffel bag. And so I thought that would be fun to pair it with the sneakers. And so that's the next look that I created. And I also wanted to show you what it looks like to pair this with a more tailored pair of pants. Now these pants are more tailored in the hips and in the waist area, but then they kind of go out wide towards the foot. This is a cream colored pair of jeans that I recently made. I really love these jeans. They are very flattering, and I decided to pair them with a denim button-up so that I could have some cohesion. And I also wanted to put a pop of color, so I've added a really cute bag from Portland Leather Goods. It's so cute. It's just a circle bag, big enough for your phone and your money and your lip gloss. And I think that this is a really fun outfit, and it definitely showcases how you can style these denim shoes in different ways. The toe of the sneaker as well as the sole is a ecru cream color, and it looks so perfect with the jeans that I paired them with. I'm very happy with this pairing. I think it is so cool. Now the last outfit that I put together is just another type of denim, but it's black, all black. This is a boiler suit. Now I think a boiler suit is perfect for the fall. It is warm, it is cute, it is effortless. You don't have to put thought into it. You don't have to think, what shirt am I gonna match with these pants? And I just love a good boiler suit, and I wanted to share with you how you can put together a unique outfit by pairing these denim shoes that are a blue denim with a black boiler suit. I think it came together really nice, and I'm proud about that combination. I'll insert some pictures so that you can see me walking in these shoes and just kind of see how it looks with the outfits. I highly recommend them. I do want to tell you that they are probably the most comfortable shoes that I've ever worn because of the memory foam soles, and I'm thrilled about these shoes. Now, because I have had such a positive experience with testing out this pair, I am absolutely going to be going on their website and placing an order for another color, because they do have solid colored canvas pairs. They even have a silver leather pair that had me so shook when I saw it. So I definitely want to try those out. And they also have a more of a slide type of shoe that looks like a literal cloud to me, and they have themes on them. One of the things I like about this particular brand, and if I can find images I will insert them, they sell little charms to go on your shoes. I love that. So you know how everyone is on the charm trend for their handbags and putting little charms on their handbags? You can actually accessorize your sneakers and put charms on your sneakers. I love it, I love it, I love it. Same goes for their slides. They have little holes on them, kind of like, think kind of like a, what are those shoes called? Croc. Think like a Croc, how you have those little holes that you can push little charms in. They have their own charms that fit their shoes, and they are just so cool. There's one in particular that is black, and it's like space themed. So the charms are like moon rocks and just really cool. An astronaut. Oh my God, I want those so bad. I cannot wait to pick them up. But anyway, highly recommend these shoes. I think you should check them out because they are truly unique and special. I've never seen anybody wearing these in my city. I hopefully will be the first and will inspire other people to check them out as well. It was so much fun to put together outfits with these shoes, and I can only think of a million more in my closet that these shoes would definitely elevate. So if you're interested in checking them out, do check out the link below and see all the things that they have to offer. Like I said, I highly recommend them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I do share sewing content, DIY fashion, as well as styling. I also occasionally share little beauty tips here and there, but I absolutely love fashion. That is what I'm here for. So if you like those things, please do make sure that you come back to my channel. I hope you have a fantastic day, a wonderful week, and a great start to your fall. Bye.